Case Study: Performance Cars vs. Abraham. Introduction. Performance Cars Ltd vs. Abraham 1962 stands as a landmark case in English tort law, specifically regarding the concept of causation in negligence claims. This case study delves into the factual background, the legal issue at stake, the court's decision and reasoning, and the lasting impact of the case on how courts assess causation in negligence claims with pre-existing damage. Facts. Performance Cars Ltd, the claimant, owned a Rolls-Royce that was involved in a collision with the defendant's Abraham car. The accident caused damage to the lower part of the Rolls-Royce's bodywork. Significantly, the Rolls-Royce had been in a previous accident just 2 weeks prior, which had also damaged the lower bodywork. The claimant had received £75 in damages for the prior accident, but had not yet had the repairs completed. Following the second collision with Abraham, the Rolls-Royce required a complete respray of the lower bodywork to address all the damage. The claimant sought to recover the entire cost of the respray, £75, from Abraham. Issue. The central legal question in Performance Cars v. Abraham revolved around the concept of causation in a negligence claim with pre-existing damage. Did Abraham's negligence cause the entire cost of the respray, or was only a portion of the cost attributable to the new damage caused by his collision? Holding. The court ruled in favor of the defendant, Abraham. Ratio decidendi reasoning. The court's decision hinged on the principle of causation in negligence law. They reasoned that Abraham's negligence only caused damage that would have ultimately been addressed through the repairs necessitated by the first accident. Since the Rolls-Royce already needed a respray of the lower bodywork due to the prior damage, Abraham's actions did not create the need for the entire respray. The court essentially held that Abraham was only liable for the additional damage caused by his collision, not the pre-existing damage that would have been repaired anyway. Significance. Performance Cars v. Abraham holds significant weight in the understanding of causation in negligence claims. Pre-existing damage and causation. The case established that a defendant in a negligence claim is only liable for the damage their actions directly cause. If the plaintiff's property already had pre-existing damage, the defendant is not responsible for the entire cost of repairs if those repairs would have addressed the pre-existing damage regardless of the new accident. Fairness and proportionality in damage awards. The case emphasizes the principle of fairness in allocating liability. It ensures that a defendant is not held responsible for the consequences of pre-existing damage. Performance Cars Ltd v. Abraham remains a vital case in tort law. It clarified the application of the causation principle in negligence claims involving pre-existing damage. The case emphasizes that defendants are only liable for the damage their actions directly cause, ensuring a more just and proportional approach to allocating liability in negligence lawsuits. If you are a law student and looking for more case studies, visit our website www.mylawtutor.net.